Hello everyone, so good morning and myself Naveen and welcome to my channel. So I hope all are doing very well here. So today I came to visit a museum in Chennai which is a Honorable Chief Minister Museum like MGR Museum and Dr. J. Jayalalitha Memorial. So MGR and Amma Memorial officially Bharat Ratna Puratachi Thalaivar Dr. MGR Ramchandran and Puratachi Thalvi Amma J. Jayalalitha Memorial is an memorial complex dedicated to the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu state. So MG Ramchandran and J. Jayalalitha who is also known as the Amma, where black marble platform was raised on the spot of MGR culmination in the month of December in 1987 and on the spot of Jayalalitha on December in 2016. So both crematories consist of an internal flame and petuate of them at one end. So a stone foot, and this is the idol of Amma as a Jayalalitha we can see, and this is the idol of MGR. So both are the great actors and actresses as well as the chief minister and politician of Tamil Nadu state. So explore these places are looking very great, and even a stone footpath leads to the lotus shaped was enclosure that houses the MGR memorial with the sword pillar topped with a spherical shaped flame light. So these are the very great place, and even many more visitors are also coming here to visit the place. So this is the statue of MGR along with Jayalalitha statue also. Even MGR wife was also a chief minister of Tamil Nadu also, and her name was Janki Ramchandran. So Janki Ramchandran was a first female chief minister of Tamil Nadu state. So the memorial complex is located on Kamarajar Promenade adjacent to the Anna Memorial on Marina Beach in Chennai, Tamil Nadu in India. So these are the very good place, and we know that J. Jayalalitha was the second actress who became the Chief Minister of Republic of India after the MGR's wife Janki Ramchandran, and she has the second longest tenure of Chief Ministerships in Tamil Nadu, having served multiple terms and continue to hold the position until her death, and considered one of the greatest politician leaders and actors of the state in Tamil Nadu, who is Jayalalitha, properly known as the Amma. So this is the mausoleum where I reach of Amma. We can see how it is the mausoleum of Amma, Miss Jayalalitha. Along with her photograph is also here. We can observe the photograph of Jayalalitha. So today I am also feeling very well, and many more visitors are coming because it is also located at the Marina Beach itself only, and in front of the University of Madras, and also M.A. Chittambaram Stadium is also so close from here, and Chepauk metro station is also nearby this place. So this is the mausoleum of former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu state Amma Jayalalitha. So many more visitors always are coming to respect the Amma and memory about her. The memories of Amma kept here, observed here. So this is the photograph of Jayalalitha. So even her followers idealize her as Purachi Thalvi, means revolutionary leader, as a Puratachi Thalvi, and she was the first and the only one leaders in female to serve as the leader of the opposition in Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. So I am feeling very good today because today I got a chance to visit, and even I explored so many places in Chennai, such as the outside from I have also seen M.A. Chittambaram Stadium, University of Madras, and But I enjoy at Marina Beach. Really, Marina Beach is a very good beach because we know that Marina Beach is the longest beach in the second longest beach in the world after the Cox Beach in Sri Lanka. So let's see. This is the mausoleum of the MGR. So the memorial complex is located already. So MG Ramchandran, the first actor to become the Chief Minister in India, Republic of India, who honored with the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of Republic of India also. So Dr. MG Ramchandran also got a Bharat Ratna award also. And right now I just came to visit the MGR, I think, museum. So this is the achievements of MGR also all observed in this museum. So we can see the photographs. Even MGR also came in the affair with Jayalalitha, but they both did not get married. So MGR also got married with the actress Janki Ramchandran, who was also a very good Indian actress and very successful. But Jayalalitha was more successful, but Jayalalitha did not get married with MGR, and they both came in politics. So this is the photographs of MGR along with Jayalalitha, and all photographs along with the legendary persons like the many more politicians, actor, actress, along with many more legendary and great person. So it is also a very great memory and museum of regarding the Jayalalitha and MG Ramchandran. So this is the photographs of also, I think, Janki Ramchandran, wife of the MGR, and this is the idol of MGR along with photograph, who was a great actor as well as the politicians. And even he is also so popular, we can recognize very well because of the black glass, because I think he used to wear black glass. So this is the all memory photographs of MG Ramchandran, properly known as the MGR in short. So in Chennai I found so many places name related with the MGR available in Chennai, because he is so popular here in Chennai along with Jayalalitha. So these all are the photographs of MGR which put on the wall of the museum. So I hope everyone is also enjoying together with me after looking this museum, because this is a very great memory about MGR. So I am feeling very good here, and really it's a good moment for me, and it's become my memory here, and many more old newspaper which is about MGR. So thank you so much, and once again thanks, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.